Welcome to Auto Express Review, your trusted source for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into a name that brings back roaring nostalgia, the Honda VTX 1300, now reborn for 2025. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A beast of torque and metal, a machine that once ruled the roads, and now, it's been revived with a modern soul. Whether you're a cruiser veteran or someone new to the world of big twins, this review is for you. And yes, if you stick with us till the end, we've got a surprise that no true biker would want to miss. Let's go back in time. The original VTX 1300 series was launched in the early 2000s, following the success of its big brother, the VTX 1800. With its classic styling, aggressive stance, and dependable V-twin power, the VTX 1300 quickly carved a loyal fan base. Riders loved it for its cruiser DNA, long-distance comfort, and bulletproof engine. But as the years passed and emissions regulations tightened, the VTX silently faded away. Until now. After nearly a decade, Honda has brought it back, and it's more advanced, more comfortable, and more menacing than ever. Design, timeless muscle meets modern refinement. Honda had a tough challenge, retain the iconic cruiser silhouette while updating it for modern riders. And they nailed it. The 2025 VTX 1300 sports the classic long wheelbase, wide front forks, a massive teardrop fuel tank, and deep fenders. But this time, it's paired with sleeker lines, LED lighting, and blacked-out finishes. The design screams muscle but whispers elegance. Chrome lovers need not worry, Honda offers chrome and matte black versions, so you can pick your vibe. The instrument panel is now a digital analog hybrid, mounted cleanly on the tank for a retro look with future-ready features. From every angle, this bike commands respect. Engine and performance, built to dominate. Now, let's talk about what truly makes the VTX 1300 a cruiser icon, the engine. Powered by a 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin, the 2025 version is all about smooth power delivery, mountain-like torque, and that unmistakable V-twin rumble. Honda has refined the fuel injection system and exhaust tuning, ensuring better fuel economy, cleaner emissions, and a richer riding sound. Torque peaks early, making city riding easy, and highway cruising absolutely effortless. Expect about 73 horsepower and 98 Nm of torque, all delivered with the kind of smoothness only Honda engineering can deliver. It's not a racer. It doesn't need to be. This bike is about feel, about commanding the road, and about riding with presence. Ride experience, born for the open road. Sit on the new VTX, and it immediately feels like home. The seat is low-slung and wide, ideal for long-distance rides. The handlebars rise naturally, and the forward controls give your legs a relaxing stretch. It's a riding position that encourages you to keep going, city to city, sunrise to sunset. Honda's engineers have worked hard on refining the ride. The telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks offer better travel and damping than before. Whether you're cruising on a coastal highway or navigating pothole-ridden backroads, the VTX 1300 remains stable and plush. Cruise control comes standard. And guess what? Honda has even introduced a Comfort Plus mode, adjusting throttle response and suspension damping for long touring days. This is a motorcycle built for real-world roads and real-world riders. Braking and safety, reliable as a rock. When it comes to safety, Honda never cuts corners. The VTX 1300 gets dual-disc brakes at the front and a single disc at the rear, now powered by ABS and Honda's Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, essentially traction control to prevent rear wheel slip during wet conditions. The braking feel is predictable, strong, and linear, just like a cruiser should be. This isn't a bike that throws you forward on panic braking. Instead, it gives you confidence with every squeeze of the lever. Technology, just the right touch. Cruiser lovers usually don't want overwhelming electronics, and Honda understands this. The VTX 1300 comes with just the right level of tech. Digital display with gear position, RPM, range, and fuel economy. Bluetooth connectivity for music and turn-by-turn navigation. USB-C port in the tank panel. Smart keyless ignition system. 3 riding modes: urban, comfort, and sport. No TFT screen that looks like a tablet. No unnecessary software bloat. Just usable, practical features that enhance the riding experience. Customization and accessories, make it yours. Honda has gone all in on customization. You can pick from a long list of accessories: leather saddlebags, sissy bars, bobber-style solo seats, handlebar risers, highway pegs, windshields, and even custom exhaust kits developed in collaboration with Vance and Hines. The bike can be transformed from a touring cruiser to a city bobber or even a dark-themed street menace, all with OEM parts. And yes, the exhaust sound kits are fully street legal and designed to maintain Honda's emission compliance while still delivering that deep rumbling growl. Fuel economy and maintenance, practical muscle. Despite being a large displacement bike, the 2025 VTX 1300 is relatively fuel efficient. You can expect around 20 to 22 km/h in mixed riding conditions. And with its 18-litre fuel tank, that's almost 400 km of range, great for long rides without frequent fuel stops. Maintenance is straightforward. Honda has added longer service intervals, improved component durability, and easier access to filters and fluid points. This isn't a garage queen, this is a daily rider cruiser. Pricing: cruiser dreams within reach. Now here's the shocker. In India, the 2025 Honda VTX 1300 is priced starting at 11.85 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. While in the US market it comes in at around $11,499. That puts it in direct competition with the Harley-Davidson Sportster S and Indian Scout Bobber, but with better reliability, lower maintenance, and a more balanced ride. If you're dreaming of owning a big cruiser without destroying your wallet, this is probably the best deal in 2025. Who should buy it? This motorcycle is perfect for experienced cruiser riders who want reliability without losing style. Mid-size bike owners looking to upgrade to a powerful V-twin. Tourers who value comfort and range. And even newer riders who want a machine they can grow into or not out of. It's not too loud, not too tech-heavy, but still loaded with character. Final thoughts: a true return to glory. With the 2025 VTX 1300, Honda has done something rare. They've honored the legacy while making a machine that feels completely fresh. This isn't a retro gimmick or a rushed update. This is a proper rebirth. One that combines modern performance, ride comfort, and timeless cruiser aesthetics. If you've been waiting for a true big-ball cruiser that doesn't compromise, this is it. Surprise reveal: Shadow Phantom Edition incoming. As promised, here's your surprise. Honda is preparing to launch a limited edition VTX 1300 Shadow Phantom Edition, a blacked-out, bobber-inspired version with solo seat, flat drag bars, matte onyx black paint, bar end mirrors, custom shorty exhaust, and only 999 units worldwide. It will be available by December 2025, and pre-bookings will open exclusively through Honda's Big Wing outlets. If you want a collector's edition of this cruiser revival, keep your eyes open. Auto Express Review. Thank you for joining us on this deep ride into the 2025 Honda VTX 1300. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Express Review, where passion meets performance on every road. Until next time. Ride loud, ride proud, and always stay in control.